In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text box in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever added a note or label to a PDF and wished it angled to match an image or diagram, this is exactly what you need. We're talking about rotating a text box annotation, not turning the whole page, so your document stays intact while the text aligns perfectly. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. To get to the tools you need, head to the Tools area, then open the Comment tool. This brings up the commenting toolbar, which is where Acrobat keeps the annotation tools, including the options for adding and adjusting text boxes. If you don't see the panel right away, look toward the top or right side of the interface. Once comment is active, you'll see a row of annotation icons ready to use. Next, choose either the text box tool or the typewriter tool, depending on how you prefer your text to appear. Text box gives you a box with a visible border you can format, while typewriter places text directly on the page without a border by default. Click on your page to add a new annotation, or click an existing one if you've already placed it. Make sure the annotation is selected. You'll know it's active when it shows a bounding box with handles around it. With the text box selected, look for the rotate handle. It appears as a small curved arrow near one of the corners. Move your cursor over that curved arrow until it changes to indicate rotation. Click and drag to rotate the text box to the angle you want. Take your time here. A slower drag gives you more precise control. If you don't see the rotate handle, double check that you clicked the edge of the annotation rather than the text inside it. Zooming in can also help you fine-tune the angle. When the orientation looks right, release the mouse to set the angle. If it's not quite perfect, you can simply click the handle again and adjust, or use undo if you want to try a different approach. This rotation method works for both annotations and comments, so it's great for callouts, labels, and notes that need to follow a diagram, arrow, or slanted element. Finally, save your PDF so the change is preserved. Use save if you're updating the same file, or save as if you want to keep a separate version. And remember, this is different from rotating pages. You're only transforming the text annotation. That's all there is to it. Quick, clean, and precise.